This is the microphone that I ultimately ended up with, and it's a slightly bit pricey.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
But it's a fantastic microphone. There's construction outside, there's sirens outside. I live in New York City on a loud street, and there's always like sirens, fire trucks, construction, literally two construction projects happening outside, one block north of me and one on the block south of me. None of those sounds get into the sound here. I've never had an echo problem. I never had any other problem that I've had with all the other microphones. When I look at this microphone, I tell it, where have you been all my life? And it's not even an exaggeration, because now I'm having to refilm all my previous videos, because now when I hear my previous videos, I hear immediately, oh my God, my previous audio was literally so much worse. It's unlistenable. I don't know how my YouTube listeners or my Udemy course listeners used to listen to it. This is the best, and I got it like this with these items also. I guess it's not for every budget, but to be fair, I wish I had gotten it from day one, even when budget was more of an issue for me, because I would have made so much more money with better audio. So even if you're starting out, I would recommend it, because now I have like 5+ or 6+ years looking back at my video and audio creation, and this is the best thing that's happened to my audio in that whole time.